we're out on our Sunday morning walk on a beautiful morning, and we've come across some blackberries. Now we've already sampled them. And we had decided that they are very good. Yes, we have. In fact, here goes another one. That's good blackberries. You want some more? You want some more? Yeah. Wait, we got to get the. Oh, she's picking them. She's wanting to pick them off. Now, here, the daddy help. You want some more? The whole blackberry, Mom, is very good. You want some more? What about Daddy? Daddy wants some. The whole. Best walk ever. We gotta get blackberries. We gotta get some more. We gotta get some more.